Hello everybody, Julie here, and I just want to go over baby album that I made for our granddaughter that is expected at the end of July or beginning of August. And I'm so excited to share this with you. So what I used was the Mombi Sheets Baby Girl from Me and My Big Ideas. And I love this paper. I basically used one page from each of the styles from the collection, and I have a lot of things left over. I'll be able to make some mini books or something with what's left over. So I chose an 8x8 album. It actually ended up being 8.5 by 8.5. So first thing I did was go through and cut out an 8.5 by 8.5 from each of the pages that I did like for a baby girl throughout the Me and My Big Ideas Baby Girl paper pad. And then I have also used some papers from my stash. Also several of the sticker sets that match the paper collection I have used in this baby album. So we started off with the first page, and this is the arrival page. And so there's a place for the name, the date, the time, the weight, and the length. And I've used various stickers, and again, most of these stickers are from the Mombi collection, baby girl collection, but many of the pieces are out of my stash, and I have no idea where they're from, and they could be even like 20 years old. Who knows? So here we go. So this is the first page, and then we open it up to She's Finally Here. I have chosen to put photo mounts so that it's really easy for the new mommy to just go through and put her pictures in the book. Just take the pictures, develop the pictures, and get them in the book. So this has a cute little welcome sticker. Oops. Cute little welcome sticker up here at the top, and various other stickers in the hands and the feet. Just really cute. And so I did my book in 2-page spreads and tried to have them match. When I cut the 12 by 12, I used a piece that was cut off over here so that they would go along together. And this is page 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now when you'll see when I have the photo mounts, a lot of the times I'll have things and the pictures will be able to go underneath. So this is another sweet baby girl. It's a girl, it's a girl, it's a girl. They're so excited. There's a place to write the date of this particular picture. And then over here we have proud parents. So hopefully they'll be able to put a picture of the parents there. Okay, next page, it's a girl, and this one is Daddy's Little Angel. So maybe a picture of Daddy and the baby here, and over here it says Mama's girl and Mommy's girl, so maybe a picture, and it says my girl on the top. So maybe a picture of Mommy and the baby there. Here we have Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I believe that that is a stamp from Close to My Heart. It's actually a wooden stamp, and it's probably quite old as well. Baby Girl, this little moon sticker is from some stickers in my stash. It says Sleeping Beauty down here. We have a place to put a picture here or a group of pictures, and the date again. Down here it says Twinkle Twinkle. So just, and the 2 pages go together. Here we have 2 pages for first bath. So up here it says your first bath, the date, cute little rubber ducky. It's a puffy sticker from my stash. And I actually cut out the whale here so that it would sit on top. But this is my 8.5 by 8.5 page. So, and now you'll start to see lots of sparklies, again, out of my stash. Also, you'll see this little washi tape. I got this at Joann's. It has quite a bit of washi tape, and I'm using that throughout to kind of bind the whole thing together. And here we go. We have Sweet Girl, first month. So now I'm using the first month sticker from out of the Mombi Baby Girl stickers that I chose, me and my big ideas. Again, a photo mount for a picture here. They can put a couple. The photo mounts are here just for a guide. Obviously, they don't need to stick to it. But now we've got, this is 1 month, 2 months. Okay. We have 3 months, and I did fussy cut these, and I raised them up. Every page there are some stickers and things raised up, so this book ends up kind of thick, but I don't think the pictures are going to make as much of a difference because every page does have some raised up stickers. Okay, so here's 4 months. So precious. It says, whoop, sorry. Wow. So we've used the washi tape here again. Okay. Here we go. This is actually raised up so that they could put picture down in here, but I did add our little lady. 5 months. Okay. And six months. Here we have 7 months. We have the cute little elephants. You are my greatest earthly blessing. It's a girl. I'll love you forever. This is the 7 months page. And then this is a Martha Stewart punch, elephant punch. I love that punch. And I'm excited to get to use it in this book. So 8 months, love my sweet girl. More bling. There we go. Giggle and kisses. And I cut those out and put them in with the other ephemera. Here's, this is a Heidi Swapp color shine thing that I sprayed. And it's been floating around in my stash for a while, and I finally get to use it. Again, added the flowered washi tape and the giggle and kisses, and you are loved, and there's another little elephant over here. So it all goes together. So this is 9 months. 9 months. And 10 months. And here we have 11 months, and we have the little owls and the elephant in a center line here. And this right here is actually from the top of the paper where the perforated edge is, and it's like white, and then the paper pattern. I cut that and put that there, and then put piece of washi tape on each side. This frame does open. It's from my stash. And then this one, I framed the frame with the washi tape, and I went ahead and went around the owl because, you know, that way it's cute, because it's a long time before we get a 12-month picture. But that's the 12 months. And since this one is for my grandchild, I will start actually, she will probably get a first birthday album all by itself, and then we'll go on from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and get some great ideas from this. This is my first video, so I hope it turns out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.